Did you know Microsoft Word has a built-in tool for writing complex equations? Many overlook it, but today I'll show you how to unlock its full potential. Let's get started. Mathematical equations cannot be added as regular text due to unique symbols. That's where Microsoft Word's equation editor comes in. To insert an equation, go to Insert Equation. Type 1/2, and Word automatically converts it into a proper fraction. By default, equations appear in professional layout, which organizes them in a structured multi-line format. For a compact view, switch to linear layout from the Tools group. Can't find the equation you need? No worries. Create a new one using the placeholder that appears when you insert an equation. The Design tab offers quick access to common symbols like fractions, radicals, and integrals. Need more options? Expand the symbol categories such as basic math and operators. Once your equation is ready, save it for future use by selecting Save as New Equation for easy access later. To speed things up, Equation Editor supports keyboard shortcuts and auto-formatting. For example, typing 3/4 automatically converts it into a proper fraction. To add exponents, use the caret symbol theta, like x squared, and press space. Word formats it instantly. For subscripts, use an underscore, like xn, and press space to apply formatting. You can even combine exponents and subscripts, like x23, and Word will format it correctly. If your equation looks too small, increase the font size for better readability. Want to create complex equations faster? That's where ChatGPT can help. Ask ChatGPT to generate LaTeX code for any equation. For example, type, "Write the LaTeX code for Einstein's energy equation." ChatGPT will return, "Formatted for LaTeX," making it easy to copy into Word's equation editor. Simply paste the code inside an equation box, and Word will format it automatically. This method is perfect for scientific reports, assignments, and research papers, saving you time and effort. Thanks for watching. Your creativity is limitless. Experiment, explore, and create magic. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.